Hey there, I'm Jared with the Annuity Expert. Today, we're going over a common question we get. Can you roll an annuity into a CD without paying taxes? When you're thinking about rolling funds from a non-IRA annuity into a CD, here's what you need to know. You will generally owe taxes on any earnings from the annuity. Now, non-qualified annuities are great because they grow tax deferred. That means you don't pay taxes on the earnings as they accumulate. However, the catch is that when you decide to withdraw those funds or move them into something like a CD, which doesn't offer the same tax-deferred benefits, taxes on the gains are due. So, if you're moving money from a non-IRA annuity to a CD, be prepared to pay taxes on those accumulated earnings. But let's talk about the alternative. What if you own an IRA annuity? Here's where things get interesting. If your annuity is within an IRA, you can roll it into an IRA CD without triggering taxes. Since both the annuity and the CD are within the tax-deferred structure of an IRA, you can move the funds through a custodian-to-custodian transfer. This means no immediate tax consequences. This can be a good option for anyone looking for more conservative growth within their IRA. CDs, especially IRA CDs, offer a stable and predictable return, which might be appealing to those wanting to reduce risk. However, before making any decision, it's important to compare the current rates on annuities and CDs to make sure you're choosing the best option for your situation. Rates can vary, so staying informed is key. You can visit our site, The Annuity Expert, to view the latest CD rates and fixed annuity rates. So, if you want to learn more, don't hesitate to reach out. You can visit us online at The Annuity Expert or call to schedule a free consultation at 770-755-1565. Again, that's 770-755-1565. Also, if you want more tips on your retirement, like and subscribe. Remember, it's never too early to start planning for your future.